First part is cages body welded machine. Automatic wire feed, mesh weld, mesh falling. Panel width, length, mesh opening be set as request. Materials hot galvanized and electric galvanized wire. Automatic mesh dragging device. With online edge cutting device. Two feeding hoppers, one for long wire, one for short. PLC controller with Chinese and English languages. Auto edge cutting machine to make edge smooth. Middle plate frame bending machine. This device is look simple but high capacity. Bending pre-cutting wires into shape. Chicken cage door welding on this mode. Worker is skillful. Edges cutting for cage door. Middle plate spot welded on this mold frame. Putting pre-cutting wires and bended wires on mold. Spot welded one by one. Panels packed on automatic bending machine. Ready goods on pallet for delivery.